Winning the award was very surreal to us. We had no idea it was coming, and I'll tell you, for us, it's like winning the Super Bowl. All of this hard work culminated to this final event, and it's kind of like we've arrived. I don't even know how else to describe it. One of the first people that I had to call was our father, right? Because he started it all, and he's the one that fell off the roof and he crushed his wrist, and that's how I took over right out of high school. And I'll tell you, it was amazing. We FaceTimed him, and he was crying, and it was just a moment. And these moments, when you think about the company and how it succeeds and how we look back in the history, this is one of those moments where we're going to always remember this day. If you think about this concept of always improving, the Best of Success seminar is a great place to meet people in the industry who are doing really creative things that you can then adopt and improve your own organization. And I'm always open-eared, and I'm always asking questions, no fear to introduce myself to anyone and ask those questions so that we can take those nuggets back and improve our own company. Out of all the events in the industry, Best of Success is the best when it comes to networking with other contractors and getting those immediately implementable items, those little tips and tricks that you can bring back, immediately put in your organization and make a huge difference.